Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by cutting variables. Power off the console fully and wait 10 seconds to clear transient errors. Then check the router band and password so you don't chase the wrong network. Many switch units prefer strong 2. 4 GHz signals over distant 5 GHz ones. Once done, move close to the router and eliminate interference from microwaves or cordless phones. Now power the switch back on and open system settings so you can start the explicit network connection steps. You'll now run targeted diagnostics inside system settings. Go to Internet, then Internet settings, and scan for your SSID, select it, and enter the password carefully. After connecting, run test connections so you can see IP, DNS, and NAT type. These tell you where failures occur. If DNS lookups fail, switch to manual DNS like Google's 8, 8, 8, 8, and 8, 8, 4, 4. If you lack an IP, check DHCP on the router. These checks isolate whether the issue is Wi-Fi, DNS, or routing. Finish by ensuring the switch runs current firmware. Install any system updates so networking fixes apply. Next, restart the router and modem in sequence to clear their caches. If connectivity still fails, confirm your ISP status. Make sure parental controls or MAC filtering aren't blocking the console by temporarily disabling them. If you still struggle, try a mobile phone hotspot. If the switch connects there, the problem is your home network, not the console, and you can focus on router settings or ISP.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.